The easiest way to allow a custom pricing, or other call it upcharge, is to create Shopify variants with with different prices. For example, if we have one person plus 10, two-person 20, three-person 30, four-person 40. And what we can do is we can also require the number of upload fields or persons we want to have uploaded in this case. So let's say we have one person, we just want to have one button with one file upload. We have two persons, we want to have two buttons with two file uploads, and so on. And so now we can match it accordingly that it will always have the right upcharge. So first of all, what you can do is you can go to the product. Here you have the custom drawing, and you can see that there are different kind of products created with a respective upcharge. But you just have to see that you will have in the word the upcharge and in the price. Then we can go back to our app. We can see that I have created for each of these variants a separate button. You can see that it's always targeted to 1, and 2 buttons are targeted to 2. That's how you can see that. Yeah, that's relatively easy. So you can click edit. And then you can get started to configure the button, which is, for example, in this case, we can see it here as well. Yeah. Variant 1 with the upcharge 10, and so on. And so we can create more and more buttons and can define the respective targeting always through these variants.